Okay, so let's say we're looking at just the color yellow, and I'm right now this is a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple color wheel, but I'm
Mhm.
basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that this is my, oh, that's huge. I'm going to say that's too small. Let's Goldilocks it. All right, we'll say that this is my four, and then I'll make a three, a two, one, and then five, six, seven, eight, nine. Okay. Um, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another layer underneath so that I can put these yellows underneath. Now, this is, I can actually sample the color. I know that I've done this before. All right, whatever. We'll get close. And it's a slightly orangier yellow. Okay, so this is approximately the color that we have down. It's a little bit lighter than that. Okay, so I'm just drawing it on top of the four and it disappears, so that means I'm
Uh,
close, right? Okay, so this is my four. And if I were to go a little bit lighter, the threes, and then the twos and the ones are a little easier, right?
mhm.
Um, twos and the one being almost white. Okay, so we have one, two, three, and four. Those are the easy ones. Yellow is tricky because basically what happens is as we get darker, it basically becomes greeny in color, or what we perceive to be green. So like my headband
Uh,
is actually yellow, right? It's a darker yellow,
uh-huh.
but it has a greenish undertone because when you add a dark color to yellow, it turns it this greeny color. So as I go into five and then, six, you see how it's turning it slightly greeny as we get darker. Seven, and yellow is just its own magic color like this, and this is what it does. And then nine is so dark that it almost reads black to us. It's not black, right? It's a really, really dark yellow, but
Mhm.
it feels
Mhm.
black. Now, what's hard for students, like if I take the color wheel away, that's when it becomes really challenging because when you're looking at some of these colors in isolation, like if you're looking at seven in isolation, you're like, that's not yellow, Mandy. But it is, right? So if you have, yellow plus blue makes green, right? Or
Uh-huh.
yeah. Uh, but there can be more yellow than blue in there, and we would still say it's a yellow dominant color, even though it's
Mhm.
reading greeny.
Mhm.
So yellow is the hardest color to understand because it just messes with our heads like this. But
Yeah.
once you practice seeing dark yellows and you practice mixing dark yellows, then it becomes a little bit more second nature to you.